Hi there. In the last years, companies have invested heavily in new technology to orchestrate their data and to gain insights from it through AI, dashboards, or other methods. However, a lot of companies still fail in these initiatives because the tools they invested in focus on the technical realization of data projects but ignore the need for initial knowledge exchange. Talking about lots of different data can be very complicated. With Detective, we want to bring all stakeholders and experts together at a single desk. We call this a case file. Now you can collaborate on big data together in real time. Drag and drop tables from any kind of data source. Manipulate them with just plain text. Chart your values of interest, and even load normal documents and link them to certain insights to tell a story that cannot be told by numbers alone. After all, you don't have to write a single line of code, rely on static dashboards or annoying Excel exports. Once you and your team found what you were looking for, our AI will summarize the discussion so that everyone leaves with the exact same understanding on the matter. You can share the case file or just a summary with any person, even outside your organization. But that's not all. By making case files searchable and clustering them into topics, we make sure that your colleagues can benefit from whatever you have discovered. Talk about data like you talk about the weather. This is Detective.